In today's rapidly evolving digital landscape, opportunities to generate income online have never been more abundant. One avenue that offers substantial potential for financial success is selling your consulting services. Whether you're an expert in marketing, finance, technology, or any other field, the internet provides a vast marketplace where you can showcase your expertise and connect with clients worldwide. In this video, we'll explore how you can leverage your skills and knowledge to sell your consulting services online and pave the way to a profitable career. Identify your niche. Before you can start selling your consulting services online, it's essential to define your niche. Identify the specific area in which you excel and have valuable insights to offer. Your niche could be digital marketing, financial planning, leadership coaching, or any other field where people seek expert guidance. Build an online presence. Establishing a robust online presence is crucial. Start by creating a professional website that highlights your expertise, showcases your previous work, and provides a platform for potential clients to contact you. Utilize social media platforms to share your knowledge, engage with your audience, and network with potential clients. Create high-quality content. Content marketing is a powerful way to demonstrate your expertise. Write informative blog posts, create engaging videos, or host webinars on topics relevant to your niche. Consistently producing valuable content can attract an audience and build credibility in your field. Leverage social proof. Positive reviews, testimonials, and case studies from satisfied clients can significantly boost your credibility. Encourage your clients to leave reviews and showcase these endorsements on your website and social media profiles. Set clear pricing and packages. Determine your pricing structure and create consulting packages that cater to various client needs. Be transparent about your rates, and consider offering a free initial consultation to showcase your value. Utilize online marketing strategies. Employ digital marketing strategies such as search engine optimization, SEO, pay-per-click, PPC, advertising, and email marketing to reach a wider audience. Invest in online advertising to promote your services to potential clients actively searching for solutions in your niche. Network and collaborate. Networking is essential for expanding your reach. Join online communities, attend webinars and conferences, and collaborate with other professionals in your field. Building relationships can lead to referrals and new opportunities. Offer exceptional customer service. Exceptional customer service is key to retaining clients and earning referrals. Be responsive to client inquiries, deliver on your promises, and continuously strive to exceed expectations. Continuously upgrade your skills, stay updated with industry trends, and invest in ongoing education. Clients value consultants who are knowledgeable about the latest advancements in their field. Measure and adapt. Regularly analyze your performance and the effectiveness of your online marketing efforts. Adjust your strategies based on data and feedback to optimize your consulting business.